In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a verification code that you are not receiving. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by making sure that you have Signal on your phone. That's the main reason why verification codes are not going to be received. Now, the second reason that a verification code may not be received is because your messaging app may not be on a do not disturb mode. Now, just open up your messaging app and make sure that no do not disturb options are clicked. Now, the main reason why you may not be receiving a verification code is in your settings. You're going to go to Messages and then scroll all the way down and look at message filtering. If it says filter unknown senders and it looks like this, that means that you may not be receiving the verification code because you don't have them listed as a contact. You're going to make sure that this is turned off. Now, the final thing that may be a problem is your blocked contacts. Now, just make sure that you don't have any short numbers that are blocked on your phone, because if so, you won't be receiving the verification code since they are blocked. That's all there is to it. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.